What's up, everybody, and welcome back to another trade recap where today I made $1,902 trading the Nasdaq. And honestly, my trading has been on fire recently. Yes, I did take a loss a couple days ago. Let's just get straight into the charts. So coming into market open, I wanted to see what key levels do we have for price to go into. Let's get rid of all of this. So we have this clear rejection that we had off whatever level down here. We've swept this low, rejected up higher. And we also have these highs, which I have marked out, the high and then this low, internal low. And I also wanted to mark this low out because this is a low that's inside of a fair value gap. So this would be like our target in liquidity if we were going for some shorts. But anyways, our highest drawn liquidity would be up here. However, I didn't think it was going to be reaching it there, and I wanted to just take my profits. ES, very similar story. We just had this low, same rejection, but this low is very important because this was the reason why I took my trade. We go down onto the 15-minute. We had the top of this 15-minute gap. We had this 15-minute gap up there as well. But I didn't actually want to target it just in case we didn't want to come that high and we only sweep this hourly high. So if we're being bullish on the day, I wanted to see this high get taken. This was my buy side liquidity. And then sell side is down here. So now we go into market open and we see that we had a sell-off, a little sell-off. We were sweeping these lows, and ES, most importantly, took this low. Yeah, ES took this low, and then I wanted to see how was NQ going to react off of that. Was NQ going to take the low or was it not? Because I realized that NQ loves to go close to the objective but doesn't like to fully take it. And it annoys me so much, so I was like, let me just wait. We had this 1 minute BPR to retrace into to see how price was going to react, if it was going to close above it, if it was going to close below. Like, I just wanted to see how it was going to react. And then we end up trading a little bit higher. And we close above. So now after seeing this move up, I was telling myself, if we're going to be bullish on the day, we're most likely going to make the move now because ES has taken this liquidity. NQ has already failed to take it, and we've invalidated a bearish confluence. I am going to want to see price going higher. Even if it's just going to go higher up to here, I want to see price go higher. And then again, I have my stop loss down here. There's a reason why I have my stop loss here, because that invalidates my whole idea. If we run these lows, we're most likely going to run these lows, and then we're most likely going to go even lower. No point in having my stop loss down here when if we get to this price point, we're most likely going to get down to this price point. And there's no point in having my stop up here because I need to give it breathing room. Maybe we consolidate a little bit and then go higher, or we'll see. And then get into the trade. Price gives an amazing push, and I have some information that this was most likely from a Trump tweet, which is crazy that Trump can move the market just like that, but gave us the push that we needed. And then I ended up going break. I don't know why I have this here. Oh yeah, because I was going to make this high my break-even point, but then I was like, no, we don't need to hold break-even. And kept playing, and then boom. I did move to break-even at some point, like after this move, because it's like I might as well. And then we do end up going all the way up to this 15-minute high up there, but this was purely off the confluences of ES is still playing within this 15-minute gap. ES has taken the low, that is liquidity to push us up higher, but NQ fails to hit it, so it's creating that SMT. In fact, where is my SMT? So in fact, it's created that SMT to then send price higher, at least to my target, and boom. That was generally it. Nothing crazy, but I didn't use 10 monitors to find out this trade. It was just that. But thank you for watching another trade recap, and I hope I see you in the next one.